Hi guys, welcome back. Yeah, thank you so much you guys for the support. Anyway, I'm with Miss Riley today. We're gonna try and make burgers. She wants a hot dog, but we don't have hot dog rolls. Okay, the ones we have are not fresh. So I don't know, we'll try and make it work with these hamburger rolls. So yeah, we're gonna try and use these for her hot dog look-alike thing. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, keep going for, right? Okay. So I'm gonna use Vienna's for hot dog thingy, and yeah, I'm just gonna grill the patties. So I got the patties from Spa. I'm just so fresh. Just gonna make 2 burgers. Yes, we're gonna use an egg. Okay guys, I don't know how you mothers are coping with this whole pandemic thing, but it's not easy if I put it that way. So yeah, I forgot to preheat the oven on 90. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. So how are you guys doing? How's everything? How's the pandemic? How's lockdown? Are you coping? Because hey guys, like I'm saying, on my side it's rough. This girl over here is so demanding. I just want schools to open. Why are you laughing? So yeah, I'm just gonna toss these in the oven. I don't know how long I'm gonna cook them for. They're so thick, like that, super thick. But anyway, let's just try it. Yeah, and then what am I gonna do next? Okay, I always see people, I don't know, like warming these up. I don't know if it's warming up or whatever they're doing, but I'm just gonna try. What? I'm gonna make the burgers with fries. I've got fries. I'll show you guys a bit when I start to fry. Because they take I think 5 minutes to be done. So yeah. This is why I want to see people in here, guys. Don't judge. Don't judge. Anyways, yeah.
What are you doing?
No, I'm just making 3 burgers. Yeah. And then we go hot dog. So you want to hot dog again. Right? You want a burger or a hot dog? Hot dog. Okay. But I'm gonna use this bread again. So yeah. I don't even know how this is supposed to be done, guys. Anyway, so yeah, while we are waiting for everything, we can just have a chat, right? That's a fake laugh. Anyway, we can talk about just the pandemic, guys. How you guys are doing, the mothers, how you coping. I think I got to realize how important school is, guys. These little ones need to get back to school because I'm not coping, guys. This girl is so demanding. They're baking cupcakes and cakes. Yay, you are back. It's so hard shooting a video with you. But anyway, yeah, I was saying like she'd watch videos, kids making pancakes and cupcakes and stuff like that, and she'd want me to make them for them, you know, and her being in the kitchen is like so messy all the time. But yeah, I think I'm having a great time doing that. I'm lying, guys, okay, but I'm trying to enjoy it. I'm trying because I think we're learning and we're bonding in the process. So yeah, how are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine? Don't you miss going to school? You miss going to school? You miss your friends? And your teacher? You miss teacher?
And my school.
In your school? What else do you miss? You don't know? Just school.
I don't know.
Don't you miss swimming at school?
I need.
And playing
I'm
with other
happy.
kids?
I'm happy to see it.
Yeah, happy to swim at school. Okay. Well, coronavirus will go soon. Okay. Thank you. Thanks, girl. Sharp. Sharp. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't want to come in too close to the stove, so I had to do things. I hope this will taste nice, guys. I'm just frying the eggs. I'm trying the burger with the eggs, right? So I think it's going well. Done there so far. So why are you doing this? Okay. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just trying to fry one. Oopsie. Fry one egg at a time. Anyway, yeah. What else are we doing? Yeah. That was just it. So yeah, I don't know. Fries I'll be using these ones, and yeah, I think my oil is hot enough now. It's supposed to be hot. So yeah, I'm going to burn. Hey, you. I was supposed to cover them up. So yeah, we wait. And I think the patties are done. Ooh. Hey, okay. Okay. If they're not done, we're just gonna have to eat. Alright. Okay, I think 5 minutes. Okay, less than 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes. So yeah, this is what I wanted to do with the buns, guys. Hey. But yeah, I'm just putting a little bit of butter because somebody said they want butter. I don't know why. But anyway, we're just gonna put that on the bottoms, I think. Yeah, on the bottoms of the thing. Alright, then we're gonna put, what do I put next? I don't even know, hey? But yeah, I think lettuce. I think let's put the lettuce. Lettuce. What's the other? Oh, yeah, here. So yeah, guys, I'm done. Yeah, I just put in the veggies and a bit of the sauces, and yeah, this is Riley's. She's so particular about things that she eats, guys. She doesn't like veggies. I think like most kids don't. And I'm not even sure she's gonna have tomato sauce, so I'm just gonna put this for her and she'll decide what she wants. And she doesn't like these particular fries. I don't know why, because she eats fries from KFC. But anyway, yeah, I'm done. I'm just gonna put in a few for her in case she complains. But yeah, she doesn't like these fries at all. So yeah, I'm gonna pour some juice for us and we're gonna eat. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. And yeah, don't forget to share what you guys been up to this lockdown. I think, what recipes are you trying, what new dishes are you trying, what are you up to reading? You know, is it reading, is it writing, is it bonding with the kids, or you are all alone? What are you up to? You know, so let's share. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. And yeah, this is how this turned out.